Tutorial Beyond 2PT Instances. We briefly mentioned that Packet Tracer can support more than single multi-user connections. Now we will demonstrate how to chain 3 Packet Tracer instances together. Add a second multi-user cloud and change the password. Create a cloud in the third copy of PT. Accept the incoming connection request. Add devices to both Packet Tracer instances and connect them to each other. Notice there are visible ports because they were made available with port visibility in the last tutorial. Issue pings to verify that the connections are working. Notice how the pings behave the same as they would in a local connection. You may, however, notice higher ping times due to network latency. The third Packet Tracer instance is now connected to the other instances. Multiple connections are very flexible in Packet Tracer. You can connect any Packet Tracer instance to as many other Packet Tracer instances as you want. This ends the Beyond 2PT Instances tutorial.